Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and another video. I have to excuse the lighting on this video. Unfortunately, the sun is shining through the window, which is a bit distracting, but also at the same time, it's a beautiful sunny day, so can't complain. So if any of you are like me, always on Instagram, looking at all what the prop firms are up to, you may have seen my Forex funds just launch a VIP program. And that got me curious, what actually is the VIP program and how do you get onto it, as well as what are the benefits? So firstly, the benefits really are you get a 90% profit split, again a step up from the current sort of 80% profit split they're currently giving, and also you're able to take payments at any point. So whereas before you've got to wait a 2 week before processing the payment, you can do it any time you like. They're also working on a much better automation process for the payments, so in theory you should get those payments in your account within 10 hours. Now for a lot of people that's obviously a definite benefit, and one of the, again, unique selling points of this prop firm, making them obviously stand out as the leaders in the industry right now. So next question is, how do you get onto the VIP program? If it's that good, how do you get access to it? Now, first thing is, obviously you need to have been trading with them for at least 3 months. And within those 3 months, you also need to have made a minimum of 5 withdrawals. Now, when you first get funded as a trader, you actually have to wait the first 30 days before actually taking a payout, and then you can do fortnightly payouts after that, providing you're actually in profit. So that's why they're saying you need to be in 3 months, and you need to be in profit for the first month, as well as profit for every subsequent 2 weeks to take your profit split. And for most traders, it's actually quite a tall ask, because we know every month there's ups and downs. So even in that 2 month period when I'm trying to get fortnightly payouts, there are going to be times where you may not be able to access that. So it could take people a little bit longer. Now you also need to not violated any of the rules. That's obviously quite clear. If you do violate any of the drawdown rules, max or daily, then obviously your account will be terminated. So that's obviously quite a given. But they do specify that they will actually assess your trading style. So if you're a very high risk, high volume trader, they may not actually allow you to join the rewards program at VIP level if they think your trading style isn't suitable for them. Again, that's one of those sort of small caveats. I think most people, if they're actually able to trade for 3 months and take payouts, will be very consistent, and they wouldn't actually be in that sort of boom or bust trader and would be eligible to join the program. But really, is this any different from what the other prop firms are doing? A lot of them have a 3 month process where if you scale, let's say 10% of that time, you're also available to get 90% payouts. Again, not calling it a VIP program, just normal part of what they do of their offering, as well as scaling the account as well. So yes, it's nice they've actually launched this and can give traders some incentive to work towards, to be consistent over a 3 month period. Make sure you're always profitable every 2 weeks to get payouts. But again, is it a standout program and one that will actually make people want to sign up in the future? Now, I think it probably will do, because a lot of people believe that they're going to be so successful they'll be able to take daily payouts, and rather than let the account sort of accumulate and get bigger, just take payouts on a regular every sort of couple of days and make sure their accounts are just growing and able to take the funds out and put into their personal bank accounts and spend it when they need to. But what that actually does is it actually takes away from the overall account size. If you're actually always taking withdrawals back down to the starting point, let's say $100,000, it doesn't allow that bit of a buffer. So let's say in the first week you've managed to get 5-6% into a profit, and you then take the money out. Next week you could be then back down to a slight negative, and if in the normal payment process you'd been able to take a 2 week run, take that sort of 3-4% out, in this case you'd have to wait until you get back into a profit before taking your payments out. So in some ways it might actually force the traders to be a bit more risky to try and get into profits on a more regular basis to take the payments out. But again, it's one of those things, it's changing things up, it's making it more exciting for traders to come onto the program and actually get funded and stick with my Forex funds for a much longer period of time, rather than chopping and changing and trying to jump onto the next prop firm or the next big idea. Again, it's an incentive reward scheme that hopefully will benefit a lot of people in the future. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers!